Importing users into your Zenler site. So Zenler has the ability to import users into your people or user area. All it asks for is a CSV format file. Now in this case I'm going to show you from a Google Sheet. And we have 3 fields in here, although you can add more. We'll talk about that in a moment. We have name, surname, email. When we import, we will map the correct field from the Google Sheet into the correct field of Zenler's import system. Let's save this as a CSV file and import it into our site. Let's go to File and let's go to Download and then do it as a comma separated values file or CSV. This will save this file in my computer. I will rename it Import and place this on my desktop. Okay, we're ready to import this into Zenler. Let's go to here, into Site, into People All, and click Import User. I'm going to select the file from my desktop, and you're going to notice that you have an import option here. You can import them into a role. In this case, I'm going to import them as leads, as they haven't bought any courses. I don't want them to become an instructor or affiliate, assistant or support. So I'm going to bring them in as a lead. Now you can only bring them in as one role type at a time. So if you have different role types, you'll need to make sure that your CSV file contains different role types, or you need to split it up. Let's now go to Next. You'll see that it gives us the same fields that are in our Google Sheet. We need to map these to the correct field. So here we're going to put this into first name, we're going to put this into last name, and finally we're going to make sure this is on email. This is now correct. Please notice that we have other fields we could add. You could add a phone number to your Google Sheet, an address, city, state, zip or postcode, a country, and a GDPR consent status. These can be put as extra fields inside. Please note also that the CS file's first row contains the field names. So we have the first name, last name and email. Now let's click Next. At this stage, we have the ability to add a tag, which can be handy for filtering your users. Let's put in here import March and 2023. We can also enroll them automatically into a funnel at this stage. This can be really handy to fire automations off to them or sequences of emails. You could also put them into any live interactive webinars or any live webinars that you have running. Let's click Finish. You will get a message telling you that the import is in progress, and you will receive a mail as site admin when it is completed. Let's click OK. This, unless there are hundreds or thousands of users you're importing, this can take as little as a few seconds to maybe a few hours. Let's refresh this screen and we should see the new users come in. And here we go. We have all of the new users added. So this has successfully imported these users into your Zenler site. It's set them up with the correct role, and it's also put the tag that we included in there as well. This is how you can import users into your Zenler site.